Hello friends, welcome to Show Me's World, and today I will be making this garlic bok choy noodles. This is a super yummy and delicious noodles which is cooked in just 10 minutes. So let's get started. In a hot wok, adding oil. Note that all the ingredients are already there in the description box. Then adding in some chopped garlic and chilies, green chilies. After it turns light brown in color, adding some chopped red onions, then the baby bok choy. I have just slit those bok choys in halves and that's it. If you're using normal bok choy, it's up to you. I have used the baby bok choy and then some good amount of mushrooms. I just love the combination of bok choy and mushroom together. I can just have the stir fry of bok choy and mushroom just as is. Stir frying everything well together in high flame. So now I'm going to cover the pan with a lid and going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes in medium flame so that the mushroom and the bok choy cooks little bit, not much. After 2 minutes, you can see it's soft. Now it's time to add the rest of the ingredients. I have cut some diced various colors of bell peppers, the spring onions. So these are all the vegetables I've added, and now going to stir fry all of them for another 5 minutes. As you know, Chinese cooking, you don't have to cook a lot. Now I'm adding the dark soy sauce and the Ching's green chili sauce. So these are the two sauces I'm adding. Then some MSG, which is completely optional, and some salt as per your taste. And in the meantime, I have been already boiling some packets of noodles. I have used the Ching's brand. You can use any brand of your choice and you have to just follow the instruction, whatever is there in the packet. So running the excess water through a sieve and going to just run tap water and going to keep the noodles aside. Now it's time to mix the vegetables and the cooked noodles all together. So just putting in the cooked noodles, mixing the cooked noodles and the vegetables all together nicely, adding some black pepper powder, mixing the black pepper powder well together, and I'm going to do the cooking in high flame. And that's it. It's done. You can see how nice and tasty it looks. It's this easy and it just takes 10 minutes altogether if you have all the ingredients. So everybody do give this recipe, the garlic bok choy noodles, a try, which is cooked in just 10 minutes or less. And let me know how was it. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Show Me's World. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.